It's always nice to have a piano nearby, wherever I am. But as someone who travels a lot, that hasn't always been possible. Until I found this, the Oyayo Foldable Digital Piano. Yes, it folds in half. No, it's not a gimmick. I've been using this little keyboard during an extended visit to the Big Island, Hawaii. And today I want to share some thoughts on what it is, what it isn't, and whether it might be a good fit for you. Let's start with one of the biggest pros. This thing is light, just over 11 pounds. I've carried it in and out of cars, up stairs, across yards. No problem. The included case is compact, sturdy, and ideal for road trips. You can even bring it as a carry-on for a flight. And if you prefer to check it in, it fits easily into a protective suitcase. For musicians on the move, this is a big deal. It unfolds and powers up in seconds. The layout is clean and intuitive. The keys are full-size and semi-weighted, and the overall build feels solid for how portable it is. Here is what really surprised me. The speakers are actually quite good. Clear enough for the player and pleasant enough for anyone nearby. It won't replace high-end monitors, of course, but for built-in speakers, way better than I expected. Battery life is another strong point. The product page says up to 4 hours on a full charge. I've played for close to 3 hours straight without needing to plug it in. That kind of flexibility means you can take it anywhere. Play outside, at a gathering, or just in a quiet corner without needing an outlet. The Oyayo comes loaded. 120 voices, 127 rhythms, and 60 demo songs. It also includes a sustain pedal, music stand, power cord, and USB cable. So you are fully equipped right out of the box.
HTO piano.
I haven't explored everything yet. Some of the sounds are interesting, but a lot are genuinely good. There's enough variety that I'm thinking about doing a separate video just on exploring the tones and rhythms. Oh, this is electric piano.
Electric piano too. Oh, I like that. Harpsichord. That's pretty nice guitar sound. There's some strings here. Tuba.
And yes, it has MIDI and USB output and a headphone jack for quiet practice. Now for the drawbacks. The action is very springy, almost too much so. While it's labeled semi-weighted, the keys snap back quickly and the touch sensitivity is hard to control. Sometimes the sound comes out too loud, other times too soft, even when your playing is consistent. The black keys are even trickier. They are noticeably more springy than the white keys, which makes phrasing uneven and expressive playing difficult. And while 128 voices and 127 rhythms look great on paper, it can feel overwhelming. There's no streamlined way to scroll through and find exactly what you want. It takes patience and curiosity. Lastly, this isn't a replacement for a real piano. The shallow keybed and lack of weight means it won't satisfy a player looking for depth and nuance. Here's some clips of me playing so you can hear how it sounds in action. So, would I recommend it? For me, it's a resounding yes. Not because it's perfect, but it's because it's possible. The piano makes it easy to keep music in your hands wherever you are. It's lightweight, functional, and portable enough to bring anywhere. While I wouldn't use it for deep technical practice, it's perfect for noodling, playing lighter pieces, sketching out ideas, and staying connected to music on the go. And there is something special about unfolding a keyboard by the ocean and just playing. That alone makes it worth it. I even brought it to a happy hour gathering recently on someone's porch. I pulled it out and started playing, and then, unexpectedly, someone in the crowd, a trained opera singer, began to sing. It turned into a magical impromptu performance, totally unplanned. And this little foldable piano made that possible. That's what I love about it. It brings music into the world in a way that's light, spontaneous, and real. If you're interested, I will leave a link to the Oyayo in the description below. And if you're someone who wants to start learning piano or come back to it after years away, I teach adult beginners through my course, Simple and Beautiful Piano for Adult Beginners. You can find that at livelovepiano.com. Thanks for watching. And wherever you are, I hope music finds its way into your day.